Okay, hello everybody. So we're back to the BELLE Rose kit now, and I have done a bit. I've put lace here and there. I haven't stitched any of it yet. I'm not sure where I showed you. I've done some I've stitched, some I haven't. Okay, so what did I do in there? Oh, I covered that with vellum and backed it the paper because it was like thin tracing paper. So, but you still got the nice sound. Okay, I put that in the middle. It's oh, that's like pocket type thing that I'd done that was left over from an envelope. So again, I backed that with paper, yeah, and then put some vellum over the top. All right, so done that. I say I haven't done very much because I was hardly here at all last week. That was one signature. This signature I've done a bit. I think I showed a picture of this. Yeah, that's the right way. So I've done the inside of that. Okay, I didn't do a video. I just showed a picture. Okay, and this is a piece of paper that you can write on and everything, but backed it with a topper. Right, and that was like the music paper goes like just put it in sort of sideways, yeah, and then I sort of stitched it and made a pocket, put some lace over it and put that tag there because I thought it looked really nice. And then this I made, that's most probably in one of my topper videos, yeah, and I just thought that looked really nice there. Sorry, a bit at arm's length when I do it like that. So okay, so I've done that. Now it won't go in, but it will. With that bit of pink just poking through, I liked. And I carried on. Oh, there's a rip in the page, so I just put a bit of washi tape there and carried it through to that side. So, oh, hold on a minute. Oh, I just had to catch my husband then before he froze the chicken. So, because I thought it was fresh today and I didn't want him putting it in the freezer. And then I just this grungy pocket out of a glassine bag. Okay, and then no, I stuck that right down because time there's a tag in there, that will be enough on that page. All right, because there's quite a lot going on. So that's it really, that's all I've done, but I've got a little thing to do today that I thought we'd start sticking in some pockets. I quite like this piece of paper. It's sparkly. I know it's a lot lighter, and I thought if I inked the edges but kept the rest quite white just for a change, or quite light, because it sort of goes with this as well, so we'll see. Anyway, that's my intention. So I thought I'd just ink lightly around the edges on that. Then I'm going to got some pockets and different things to do on it. I'm just going to, so I don't want too much, that's all. So sort of frame it a bit really. Yeah, just sort of been playing around just to get in the flow again. Do you know what? I do fancy something. Now I'm looking. What colour? I sort of want like a grey colour. Oh, I know what I've got in grey. That might work. I'm not sure, but anyway, I can always gesso over it if I don't like it. I've got this one in grey. Just a little bit on that top corner. All right, is that the front? Yeah. And this is just an outline stamp, so I use this one. I like this one. I will check that that's not too dark. So back. I think that would be all right, actually. This is sort of handmade paper, so it might bleed, that one, by the look of it, but it's okay. I quite like that. That's fine. And that's all I wanted. Just a little bit in that corner. Yep. Okay. Right. I need to put this actually in the journal for a minute, because we've got that pocket to do up. Yep. I've already stuck that in. Oh, yeah, bled through there, but I never minded that sort of thing. Yeah, the grey works beautifully actually, because my intentions are to put that there using a pocket. Okay, this will be underneath, like so. This needs sewing around, stitching around or whatever. And these. And then I've got a tag here that I printed it on one of the backgrounds onto card, and then cut a tag out of it. Because guess what, Andrea? Or everybody, I did forget to put tags in, but there was so much in that kit. I think that's why I forgot. I must have thought I'd done them. I went to print them. I thought, why haven't I got any tags? I realised I didn't put any in. So sorry, folks. But there's backgrounds where you can make them, which I've done there. Okay, and then you can do your own up. Yeah, and then you've got that other background sheet with loads of different bits of ephemera, haven't you, as well? So that will work. Right, so that's what I'm going to do. Yeah, so that all stitched around. I'm actually liking that the way it is. There. I could have made that a bit bigger, actually. Yeah, I might make a longer one, because I can do it the same size. I actually cut that down, my normal size tag, which I will put a bigger one in the back there. So I will do that, but this can go somewhere else. Okay, I'm quite liking that, but because we're doing that here, I think we have a little embellishment here of some kind. I don't know, actually. I did make something, but guess what? It's goon. It's goon. So it might be something else. Actually, that could work, because that's bringing that in there. Let's see what we've got here. This is bits I've cut off the tag, so I'm all right with that. I don't know where that went. Let's look on the floor. It's not. Oh, yes, it is. It's there. Ah. Sometimes it sticks to my jumper. Right, made just like a little faux stamp. Okay. So we will put that down like so. Just brings that rose paper into there. And then one of these, I think. Yeah. Oops. Right, that flew somewhere. I can see it. Oh dear. I tell you, like 40 towers. Like that. So it gives you an idea what I've done there. Yep. And everything's stitched around. And then, so that's sort of done. And then we've got this. So leave that open. Just back these because some of these have been, I printed on my wrong paper. It was really thin. It's what I use for my documents and, you know, the ephemera invoices and that sort of thing. I can't remember the name of this sort of lace. I tend to call it Battenberg, but I think that's a cake. But that springs to mind every time I see the lace. So, please tell me. So I'm sure Battenberg is a cake. Oh, I think I've I've got the sillies today. Sorry. No, right, okay. So I'll stitch around that. I'm not worrying about that side because I don't know what's happening in the journal, so I leave it. Okay. I'll just wait for that to dry a bit. What I might do while that's drying, I might just stitch around here. Okay, open them out and stitch them around. So when I put it in, it will look like it's been stitched down. Okay. So it's all completed. All right. I stitched that down and then I glued that down. This tab was cut off, like the bottom of that or the top, wherever it came off. So I just stuck the two pieces together back to back. Okay, and put a little grommet in, and that can go in there for now. I backed the tags, some lined paper, and put some sari silk. Well, actually, that is actually silk, that one. Some of that, whatever it's called, it's lace, but I'm not sure. It's similar to that, but finer. There's probably a name for it. Okay, stitch around everything. On this one, just gotta, so you can write on there. Okay, and it's coffee stained anyway, and that's thick enough, so some I line, some I don't. It just really depends. But that's it. And I did stitch lace on there just because I didn't like it floating around. So that's that done. And it looks nice. I really like that. So it's cool. So I've got, I did do this. That was the other day, actually. I've done that. I've forgotten. I have stitched it in as well. And I literally have just done this. I thought, oh, you know that really nice lace? I've used it before. And it was beautiful. And I thought, oh, I want to capture one of those. And I thought, oh, sandwich it in a piece of vellum. So I think that will look quite nice in there. Because you can see it. Yeah, and that was some of the stamping I'd done recently, and then just put that butterfly there. So that's all. Oh, I made this was another one of the stamps I done, and this was off of a bit of envelope I cut down, so I utilized that and covered it with vellum. I think it was all covered together, and then I cut the envelope down. I think that's what happened. And that was left. So I made it into something with a doily behind it. that is it. I'll just put that there. I'm not sure what I'm going to do that there, but I think I made that up just here one day. So I think the next thing I need to do is something nice here with this in the middle, and then sort out what I'm going to do here, and that will be, and then of course something nice here because it's quite plain, isn't it? So I usually like on the inside of the main pages, I do like to put something heavy and thicken it up so that you've got a bit of you know, it's not, because sometimes these pages take a lot of opening and shutting, so I like it to be a little bit stronger. Okay, well that's it for today, because I've got a couple of mucky things I've got to do in a minute, or grungy things, so I need to clear away my lace in case I get it covered, and then back on with the journal tomorrow. Okay, speak to you soon. Bye.